Today's farmers combine science, technology, and business savvy to feed the world's population. Let's take a closer look at the industry of agriculture.
2.2 million farms dot America's rural landscape today. The majority of these are farms operated by families, hardworking folks who afford us the opportunity to enjoy an abundant food supply that's among the safest in the world. To help keep up with rising global food demands, farmers need effective, efficient, and reliable equipment, especially at harvest, when it's a race against time, weather, and machinery breakdowns. Combines are used to harvest wheat, corn, rice, canola, and other grains. These powerful pieces of equipment cut, thresh, and clean the grains. Each acre harvested can be worth big bucks, making or breaking the farmer's bottom line. An entire farm's profit rests on the combine's ability to perform. To get every last kernel of grain from their fields, many farmers are turning to combine specialist George Kuchar. Kuchar is in business to help farmers improve their combine performance and harvest more grain from every acre. He started Kuchar High Performance Combine Parts back in 1983 with just 2 toolboxes and 1 pickup truck. Today he has 8 patents and runs a multi-million-dollar business.
What happens to the OEM combines, they're made for all crops all over the world, and that the farmer, he has the best seed, the best fertilizer, and nurtures it all summer, and then in the fall of the year with the combine, he grinds it up and leaves it in the field for less profit to him.
Kuchar learned about combines as a farmer and custom harvester. It was in his native North Dakota farm fields where he realized the many shortcomings of OEM combine designs.
With the OEMs, they get their engineers from out of the cities and the rest of it because the farm boys ain't there anymore. And what happens is what a lot of times what works on paper will not work in the field, and what works in the field will not work on paper.
Many grain growers and other harvesting experts contend that today's combines harvest and deliver to the tank, at best, just 87% of the crop. Taking his years of experience, Kuchar works wonders on old and new machines to help farmers harvest more good grain. He makes rotor and concave modifications and changes the accelerator and discharge beaters to give the combine more performance. Kuchar designs the parts used in the process and manufactures many of them in-house.
In 2014, my partner and I installed George's combine enhancement parts in our John Deere S680. We only put 254 separating hours on 4,000 acres. We decreased our fuel consumption, increased the capacity of the combine, and had a lot better grain sample.
Kuchar has rebuilt hundreds of combines across North America, and his parts are installed on thousands of combines around the world. He says farmers who install his high-performance parts can see productivity increases of as much as 25% or more.
The overall advantage is when they put Kuchar parts in there, they get a better sample in the hopper, cleaner ground, they don't have the stuff on the ground, and they don't have the grinding, and a lot more acres per day on less fuel.
It's the payday many farmers have long desired to achieve.
We first installed the Kuchar parts in '03 on our first rotor combine we have, and then since then we've added one more, and we put another whole kit because we liked it so much, and we see increased capacity, better grain quality, and there's more grain in the tank. Since installing the Kuchar kit, we have seen that we could drive faster, we could use bigger heads, we save fuel, and we put less hours on the machine.
Farmers with a good aptitude for combine mechanics can install the complete Kuchar kit in less than 2 days. A Kuchar dealer can also perform the installation. Through Kuchar high-performance combine parts, farmers around the world can improve the overall performance of their combines, increase capacity, and produce better quality grain for consumers to enjoy.